Chali Bulambalamba. English, you're going to call on 0700-229236. Bulambalamba, you'll be requesting your song. Neka inakubela Look, I look at this. Okay. Chiriwano. Naye aleta Oluzungu watutta.
It's entertainment time.
Yes. Aleta Oluzungu yatutta. Kubanga in English, ovunule njogera Luganda ovunule.
Yogera Oluzungu ovunule mu Luganda.
Oli mwononefu. Kakati nobudage. Luwedere naize jo.
Yogera Luganda njimvunule mu Luzungu.
Otomanyira ate bwotyo. Okay, the likes of Mama Fuswa,
yes,
Patrick Walai, Frank Ragapaipa, Ambassador Rio Audio Studios. I think today is not your day. I think today you're also in a commercial break. You're in a break. You know, not airtime, but the problem is English.
Well, they extended them.
Okay, till next week on Monday, you guys, we shall see you on Monday. You'll be calling on Monday. You'll be requesting your songs on Monday. Because what I even know,
yes,
they don't have songs to request in English.
Of course.
They don't have
any song they have to request, which is okay. They shouldn't waste our time.
Don't waste our time, don't waste our English, because twino Oluzungu lutono limited enough. Sirwelunja nnyo. Okitegedde. Shafiki tuwayo kamuze na tatuwerenga tukomaho ku noti musanvu noti 223 Emboseera Vision muzikuye. Shafiki sabula tovaawo tukomaho. I need dear Muzika Emboseera Vision 0700229236 kwagenda kuberanga atoita bote okole request yo nkaweleza ko to all the lovers in the house Aisha Nalija and Mr. Kasule ajogera kubeyagala
English.
Sorry.
Okay.
Angel and who?
Angel and who?
Gloria and who?
All of you, thanks for watching us, thanks for being part of us, thanks for loving us. Oh my God, English is so good.
Hello, caller. Hello. Read and study English. Today is a Friday.
English.
Yes.
How are you, Emboseera?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm very fantastic.
You're very fantastic. Your name is
This is I'm Promoter Tamara from Salama.
Promoter Tamara from Salama. How are you?
I'm very fantastic.
How is Salama?
Salama is very best. It's just cool.
Are you married?
Yeah, but the people in Salama here are starting a song of Babarita.
Of who?
A song of Babarita.
Babarita. Is it in English?
A song of Babarita.
Hey.
No, okay, play me a song of Prince Omar.
Prince Omar, is it in English?
Yes, Prince Omar has a song.
In English, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Shafiq will look for it.
Sing for me. Song called Sing for me.
A song called Sing for Me.
Well, Sing for me by Prince Omar.
Okay. Yeah. Hello. Yes, please. Good afternoon to you. How are you?
My name is
You're calling from where? Longoja. English. Hey. Okay, as Wilson Bugembe. Okay. Your friends and your sisters. Okay, thank you for watching Emboseera Vision English. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, please. Hello. You're watching your TV. Hello. Good afternoon to you. How are you?
Fine.
Your names?
I'm Abdul.
You're Abudu. How are you, Abudu?
Fine.
You're fine. Abudu from?
Bujuko Mtiana Road.
Bujuko Mitiana Road. How is it, Bujuko? Good. Okay, which song should we play for you?
Got love.
Eh?
Got love, Don Williams.
Don Williams, we've got love. Okay, thank you for watching ABS Television. Shafiki Soko tuwayo kambo bidi kwa wasabye, and then atatoka tukoma lero mpozi English toko. Toko nawe mfasi yako njogede nnyo ku masimu nga njogera oluzungu olaba ngize ng'oyogera.
Then we continue from there.
Mubiti ngengoma.
Hey, coming in from Baby Cool.
Oh, I have a problem with English.
Yes.
I've just called Evan to come here to say at least some words in English. He's just there saying Karo Vanachura. Oh, he's saying one word. Vanachura, Karo Vanachura, you, Vanachura, you. You guys, you don't know English. Evan, you don't know English.
Imagine. As handsome as you are, but you don't know English. Just imagine that situation.
Evan, I will do Amsara.
Sister wangu mkulu, my elder sister, wewe tabachogera.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, please. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, please.
Thanks for the show.
You're welcome, darling.
Drop for me. I'm still here by Juliana.
I'm still here by Juliana Kanyomoze. Okay, ogenda kubera ngo kafuna. Hello, caller. Hello. English. Eh. Good afternoon to you, Sebo. How are you, Sebo? You're fine.
From Chinawa.
How is Chinawa? How is Chinawa? Yenyabo.
Nyabo has become Nyabo.
Oh, come on, requesting for your song.
My song is Mama by Jose Chameleon.
Is it in English?
Jose Chameleon in Nyabo.
Is it in English?
Yes. Mama. My mama. I love you. Is it okay?
Okay, you will be getting a song. Thank you for calling.
Also disturbing a man.
Hello.
Yes, please.
How are you guys?
We are fine. Hi, dear.
Fine, dear.
You're fine.
I'm Nancy Jadbury from Wakariga.
Nampija from Wakariga. How is Wakariga?
Very good.
Very good. Okay.
Drop for me. Summer love.
Summer love.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you for watching ABS Television.
Thank you.
Okay, banange.
God, all people
English.
have greeted you.
Yee.
Wakariga.
Okay, honey, have a good night and sweet dreams. May your guardian angels watch over your sleeping. I love you so much. Okay. I'm Sharifa from Budo, but Carol, you're my role model. Oh, thank you so much. I also inspire people.
I don't know. I don't know.
I also inspire people.
You don't believe in yourself.
Due to that, I do. I don't do what?
Which is Bikolobero? Just tell me. People might not know that you are Bikolobero. Tell them.
Just imagine having a daughter.
A daughter, where here?
When she wants to be like me.
That is killing the soul.
Trouble, yeah?
Trouble.
Mama Douglas from Chisugu, please drop me memories by Lilian Mbaba and Epasa. Goes to my sweetie dad, to my sweetie daddy Douglas. Ne mama, mama Dago kubiye mbogo mu message. Chichi.
English is not ever perfect.
Okay, we are going into a commercial break. Then Ato shall be right back with Muziki Kuya Shafika. You'll be giving us one tune. Then Ate, we come back. Better quarter vowel. Together change, yeah?
Change.
As you know, as we do, as our sins are. Shafiki, Niga. Your buttons.
Bitane.
Imba t-shirt. Twatandise ne bannaffe ba Westlife nga bagamba batya?
Nga bayimba luli eriyo lwakabi.
Ngane ngambye.
Obudde ku mulamwa English.
Kanga kusindikire.
English. First they were saying what?
That song Westlife. My love. It was my love. And then I take a t-shirt, Mwana Mwala Chantella. Watu wagambye. Greetings to you, Jalia. How are you, my Jalia? Jalia no munonyeza musajja. Pozi bya Oluzungu.
I have my brother.
You have your brother?
Yes. And he's handsome, he's cute, he's...
Money.
He's like this guy.
Money.
This guy for yesterday's who?
Ooh.
This guy, this musician, and...
Is he handsome?